Look at that storm. It wasn't even windy out here. 5 minutes ago it was not windy. Now look at it. Not strong. Gonna hit us. It's almost here. This has nothing to do with any kind of rain. There's nothing here. It's just clouds, and all of a sudden we got this windstorm coming in. The air feels really cool right now as it blows in. Not even sure where it's coming from. Still real clear out there. That looks nice. Now it's hitting. Pick it up. Wow. That's windy. Oh God, sand. Blowing in my face. Holy crap. Dang. Really dusty. There's sand blowing in my mouth. But yeah, it's dirty. It's pretty bad. Ouch! Dang it! Shit! Crap! Dang! Whoa! Man. Holy crap! Freaking windy as hell. Oh, freaking A. Oh, man. Dang. Whew. I'm going in.